Hey guys, welcome back for another quick storage tip. A few years ago, I ran into an issue where I was having trouble storing my paints, my glitter markers, my gouache paints, watercolors, stuff like that. So what I did was I flipped these drawer units that you see here, and now when I want to do painting, all I literally have to do is take a drawer out with the colors that I want to use. When I'm done, all I do is I put the paints back in the drawer, and then all I have to do is put the drawer back into the unit. That has made cleanup so much easier. So I encourage you, take a look. Do you have a similar unit in your craft room that you could flip to do the same thing? And it doesn't matter what kind of crafting that you do. I feel pretty sure this is a method that could help you out with whatever crafting that you like to do. So hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back for some more quick tips. If you're interested in some more content, here's a couple videos you might want to check out, and I will catch up with you in the next one.